Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Irrespective of regular cleaning, the walls and tiles of your home may catch mold due to environmental factors. Not only are they unsightly, but they also cause a variety of health issues like allergies, skin infection, skin irritation, and sinus infections. Here are 9 proven home remedies to get rid of mold. 1. Tea tree oil. When it comes to pest control, especially mold control, nothing works better than tea tree oil. The abundant anti-fungi properties in this herbal oil make it a perfect fungicide to kill living mold. It also prevents mold from recurring in that particular surface after using once. Here is a simple tea tree oil solution that can be used to eradicate the mold in any surface. Take 100 milliliters each of tea tree oil and white vinegar. Mix properly. Now add 500 milliliters of water to the mixture and add it to the spray bottle. Before treating the walls of any surface with this oil, you first need to scrub the area and remove the mold. Repeat the application of tea tree oil mix after every 5 hours until molds disappear completely. 2. Vinegar. Vinegar is also a great fungicide to remove mold from any surface. The best part about vinegar is that it does not stain the walls. There will be no side effects if you treat a particular surface with vinegar. As usual, first scrape out the mold using a brush and then apply vinegar to the mold-affected region. Repeat applying vinegar to the area using a kitchen cleaning sponge until molds disappear from the area entirely. Use white distilled vinegar for the best results. 3. Soap water. Soapy water is a great solution to treat the mold firsthand. As soon as you see mold in any area, you first need to remove it using a scrubber or saltpaper. Now wash the area with soapy water. Use detergents to wash mold away and then repeat washing the area every day to avoid mold regrowth. 4. Distilled ethanol. Visit any pest control store to buy a special type of distilled ethanol. Spray it in the mold-struck areas. Ethanol kills mold and also controls mold regrowth in the mold-prone areas. 5. Grapefruit extract. This may be a little expensive, but grapefruit extracts work best for removing mold from any surface. The best part about grapefruit extracts is that it reduces mold problems without causing any acidic smell. It is also safe to have kids around when you use it on a surface. 6. Chlorine bleach. Chlorine bleach is absolutely inexpensive, but the most effective way to eradicate mold completely. Simply sprinkle chlorine bleach on the surface and then wipe the area with a scrubber or sponge to get rid of mold forever. 7. Alcohol spray. Vodka offers greater relief not only from stress, but also from mold. Transfer some vodka into a spray container and spritz it directly on the mold-prone areas. You can see the mold getting frizzy in a few seconds. Now quickly wipe away the dead mold using a good wiping sponge. 8. Hydrogen peroxide. Take a cup of water and add a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide. Pour this solution into a spray bottle and spritz it on the affected wall or surface. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, make a mixture by combining half a teaspoon baking soda and a cup of water. Now clean the surface with the previous solution and then spray the baking soda mixture on the mold-prone areas to prevent the further development of molds. 9. Dehumidifier. Mold and mildew thrive in wet environments. For damp areas of the home, like bathrooms and kitchens, you may want to invest in a dehumidifier. Also, be sure to fix any leaky plumbing and avoid leaving items like damp rugs, moist towels, or wet clothes laying around, as these are the perfect place for mold and mildew to grow in. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.